Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Keshav Kumar, a student of BSc first year, and now I am here to present PPT on a topic called pointer. And in pointer, I am going to explain function pointer. And on function pointer, I have a program that is called calculator. Now, what will I cover? Now, I will cover what, why, and how we use pointer. And the second, how it can be declared and initialized. And the third, what is function pointer. And the fourth, the program based on the function pointer. Now, you already know that a variable is a pointer. Sorry, a pointer is a variable that keeps the address of the another variable. Now, why we use pointer? We use pointer to get the direct access of memory and to manage our program efficiently. Now, how to declare a pointer? See this program. Now, I will explain you on the IDE devc. Now, see here how to declare and initialize pointer. Now, here you see I have initialized a variable x with a value 99 and also a pointer. Now, you have to be careful to initialize pointer because if you want to put the address or the value of this integer or this variable, you have to write the same data type. Then you will define the value. Now, I have initialized ptr equal to ampersand x. Now, this will keep the address of x. Now, in 7th line, when I run this program, this line will be executed. And what will this print? This print the value of x, that is 99. And on the 8th line, printf, this will print the address. Whose address? The address of x. That is something 460, that is in this form. And the third, last line, now this will print the address of ptr, and this line will print the value of x through pointer. Now I will show you.
Clear your screen first.
Now here you will see that this will print the value of x, and the second this will print the value of address of ptr, and this value of x is printed through pointer. Now I am going to the next topic, that is function. I have written a program called calculator on the base of function, but before going to explain the calculator, I will want to explain the function pointer. What is function pointer? A pointer which keeps the address of a function is called function pointer. Now here you will see, you well know that here I have declared a function called display. You all know that I have declared like global variable, and now here is the content of the function display. Now you all know that the main execution starts from main. The execution started from main. Now here this is important, and also this. Now I have declared a function pointer through funcptr, and I have ensured that its return type is void, because you have to keep in mind that the return data type will be same, and had no parameter, then I will left this blank, and the function display is calling, and through this pointer this will call the function display, and last this will print function pointer example. Let's show you.
Clear your screen.
Here you will see function pointer example. That is a content I have written in the function display. Now I am going to the next. That is, I will write a program on the based on function pointer, that is calculator. Copy it. Pointer function, and now I will show you by running this. Here it is asking for input. I inputted 20 and 30. Now you here you have to choose any operation.
Increase the size, font size.
Let I have choose operation 4. Sorry, the number is sorted. I again try with now. If I choose 4, then it will perform the option 4 divide. Now it will print the result equal to 2. Thank you. Willing to ask any question? Can we ask any question?
Anybody? Nobody having question? You might try.
Yes, please.
आउटपुट के बाद जो मेनू था डिवीज़न और मल्टीप्लिकेशन, उसके सर फिर रिपीट नहीं आ सकता है। जैसे एक बार वो मल्टीपल हो गया, फिर दोबारा ऑप्शन है कि मुझे फिर ये करना है।
How can you do the replacement?
Yes, it can be done, but you have to use loop for this.
So he has given a right answer. You can make a while loop using the while. You have to keep your entire menu in the while loop, and then once you come out from the option, automatically your menu will be redisplayed, and it will give you option to re-enter your another choice or maybe the same choice. Okay, it was a nice presentation given by you. Thank you.